kids. Good morning. How are you doing today? My name is Miss Mata from Sheikh Abubakar Gumi Academy. I am here to take you on mathematics, introduction to time. I pray you are all safe in your various homes and you are all behaving well. Now, we are going to talk about introduction to time this morning. Look at the board and listen to me carefully. Time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. I said time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. Repeat after me, kids. Time, yes, is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. Good, that's great. I like that. Now, we measure time using a wall clock and a wrist watch. We measure time using a wall clock and a wrist watch. Example of a wall clock is this. This is my wall clock. You can check your home, check around your parlor. You will see your wall clock in your mommy's room, in your daddy's room. You can see wall clock. This is example of a wall clock. And in the wall clock, we have a long hand and a short hand on it. The long hand here stands for minute hand. This is the long hand. It stands for minute hand, while the short hand stands for hour hand. Good. Now, when you see your long hand on 12 and your short hand on 7, it shows that your time is 7 o'clock. Your time is 7 o'clock. Repeat after me. Your time is 7 o'clock. Good. Now, we are going to check another time. Our short hand is on 10 now. What is the time now? Our time is 10 o'clock. Our time is 10 o'clock. And we have different times of the day. These are examples of different times of the day. We have 8 o'clock. That is morning. We have 8 o'clock. It's morning. Our long hand is pointing at 12. Then the short hand is pointing at the 8. It means 8 o'clock, morning. Then we have another example of our time again. We have long hand pointing at, that is the minute hand, pointing at 12. Then the short hand pointing at 2 o'clock, 2. It shows 2 o'clock. Repeat after me, 2 o'clock. Repeat after me again. That is great. It shows afternoon. That is afternoon. Good. Then let's go to the next time. We have our minute hand pointing at 12. Our hour hand pointing at 5. It's showing 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. That is evening. 5 o'clock is evening. Good. Let's go to the next time on our clock. We have the minute hand pointing at 12. Then we have the hour hand pointing at 9 o'clock. It shows the time is 9 o'clock. The time is 9 o'clock. That is night. That is night. Good. And we have different greetings of the day. We have morning. We greet in the morning. Good morning. Repeat after me. Great. Then we have greetings in the afternoon. We say, good afternoon, sir. Repeat after me again. Good afternoon, sir. Wonderful. I love that. Then we have greetings in the evening. We say, good evening, ma. Repeat after me again. That's great. Then we have greetings in the night. What you are supposed to say when you want to go to bed. You are supposed to tell daddy and mommy, good night, mommy. Again, good night, mommy. Wonderful. Good. Now, I want to have this home phone in your various homes. I want you to cut a cardboard and make a wall clock that shows 10 o'clock. I'm going to show you how to do it. This is my example. My example is not going to show 10 o'clock, but rather it's going to show another time. Then you create your own and show your time, 10 o'clock. Great. Now, this is my gum. You put your gum. Are you seeing? Good. The first number I'm going to place to create my wall clock is 12. Can you see my 12? Then the next one is gonna be 3. 3. The next one is going to be 6. It's going to be very easy doing this like this. Then the next one is going to be 9. Good. Then you come here again and put your gum again. Are you watching? Great. Then your 1, 2, you see, 3, 4, 5, you see 6, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You see our 10, then 11. Great. It's very simple. Now I'm going to fix my minute hand and the hour hand to show my time. I'm going to show the time 4 o'clock. My long hand is pointing at 12. My short hand is pointing at 4. Can you see my wall clock? Isn't it great? Yes, so that is how I want your own to be. Sit down, make your wall clock and show the time, 10 o'clock. Thank you. Stay safe and have a great day today. Bye.